second parcel unboxing for you, which has been a while.
Is that last month?
This is last month, but I mean it's been a while since we've done one. I feel like it's been like 3 or 4 months.
Did we do? We don't.
I don't
July?
know.
June?
Maybe you guys know because we don't. We have still been getting them. I haven't been loving them. I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, we'll get into this one because we have 16% battery and we're trying to focus for you. So, as usual, we have all the little bits and pieces in there. We have the book here. You've actually... No, you didn't use your stuff?
No, I didn't.
No. But it's been so long since we got this, I actually don't remember what's even in these, to be honest with you. But yeah, so as usual, we'll just dig into the For You box, which is where all the fun stuff is. Okay, so there's a quick sneak peek inside. So we have the Nail HQ London all-in-one with, is it acacia berry? And argan oil.
I'm gonna go with yes.
Multi-solution for dry, brittle, soft and weak nails. Sure.
By the time Christmas rolls around, you have strong, beautiful talons ready for peeling open all those presents.
Probably would have done had we remembered that it was in the box and been using it for the last month. I don't know, but there we go. I should have showed you the box, but I didn't. So your face is in my way. So there you go. That's what it looks like. It's came in this through. Yeah. I mean, it's one of those things that it's not exciting, but probably actually quite helpful.
$6.95.
Becca's insightful. Do you want to share the next one?
No, I'm happy doing prices.
Okay, that's your usefulness this week, is it?
Yes.
Okay, and then we have the Beauty Croup Glamazon Stick Creamy Highlighting Crayon.
Crop.
It might be the Beauty Crop.
What's a croup?
I don't know. It's a cough, isn't it? But there we go. So the box is like that. I forgot about this. I am excited about this. It's like Christmas all over again that we haven't had yet. Okay, so there we go. I feel like the outside box is nicer than the like package. It's plasticky. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see any swatches, and I always do this on the awkward hand.
Safe
there
for
we go.
Contact lens wearers.
Huh?
Safe for contact lens wearers.
Are the highlighters that are not safe for contact lens wearers?
I don't know, it says it next to a little heart.
Oh, we'll put it on Chris in a bit. He's got his contacts in. We'll just highlight his face and see if it's safe for him. But yeah, so gold highlighter. Always happy with a highlighter. How much is that?
£9.
Holy moly! I want better packaging for £9.
And that's full size as well, so.
I was just trying to work out what it is, but I was reading it upside down.
Smooth.
This is 0.5 of an ounce. Holy moly. Okay, this is like proper giving me 90s flashbacks. This is the lip coat. It's lip sealant, isn't it? If I...
Lipstick sealer.
Yeah, so, yeah, not lip sealant, that's glue. I literally remember like everybody's mum having this in the 90s. I haven't tried this yet, I have to say.
It is quite funny that it says keep your lips sealed, wear your lipstick at least. So they made the same thing.
Yeah. So there we go. It is, yeah, apparently lipstick sealant.
Oh, apparently this is their party prep box.
It doesn't smell that good.
That smells like nail varnish.
Yeah, that does not smell like something you should be putting near your mouth. Just as an FYI.
You only use stuff that tastes edible.
Yeah,
edible.
Two-Faced, where everything smells like sweets and cake.
Peaches.
Should we go for the chocolate? I'm just like randomly digging in this box.
I think you're going to hate those. That is the only thing in this box that I've tried.
That makes me say that she wants this.
Yes.
Yeah. So it is the Cocoa Bar.
Don't care, it was tasty.
Cocoa Dusted Salted Toffee Truffles. That sounds epic. But I can't, you can see the box, I can't get in. Let's see. Just break the box.
It's salted caramel.
Oh, okay, yeah, so they're cute. They're in like a little... Ordinarily, I would try these for you, but we're actually going to film another video in a minute where we're going to eat like 14 chocolates. So...
It's $6.95 for 200 grams, that's 12 grams. I don't know what that means.
Well,
Oh,
10 of them would be 120.
Oh.
So, like, nearly 20
of
of these. Nearly 20 is not enough.
No.
Okay. Well, there you go. That's her. So they're obviously very good, and normally I would try them, but again, we have a chocolate eating video coming up, so
no.
Then we have the Swiss Clinic sanitizing spray, which is, it's what it is. It's hand sanitizer. It's kind of cool because it's a pen, and if we hadn't just come back from Florida and bought like all of the Bath and Body Works stuff, I'd possibly be more interested.
Minimise spots during party season by using this spray on your hands and beauty tools before they touch your face.
I was way too close to that.
It also smells like baby wipes.
Oh yeah, it does.
No,
like wet wipes.
It didn't smell nice.
I kind of like it.
Lemon.
I don't mind it.
It smells like Sif.
But yeah, it's kind of handy. It's a little pen.
Is it Sif or Jif now?
I think it's Jif now. Anyway.
The little lemon things. Lemon juice.
The things that those bonbons tasted like in our last video. That was not our last video. It was absolutely ages ago.
I don't even remember what you were on about.
It was one of the Taffy Mill tastings.
Oh, they were gross.
Yeah. See, now she knows.
That was £18.
Holy smokes. Yeah, go to Bath and Body Works. Even if you're in the UK, just fly to America.
Jesus Christ.
America. Anyway, our tea is from Cup-a-Nut.
Yeah.
Which I like the brand. I don't think I'm going to like the tea. It's ginger and turmeric. Which, I mean, it's a tea bag in a packet, so there's nothing really exciting to show you. Does it say anything exciting?
Hasn't it got coconut in it?
80% of the ingredients in this packet are pure coconut. The remaining 20% are all natural and non-artificial flavourings. And it's mine.
You're not going to drink it?
No, I'm not going to drink it. It's very yellow. Like, you can see that through the packet, which would make sense for turmeric, to be fair.
Can I open it?
Yeah, do what you want. I'm not going to have it.
I'm going to have it in a minute. Holy yellow.
Told you. I thought you had the other one.
Yeah, but I don't know where I put it. Smell this.
Oh, it smells like curry. Like coconut curry. That is going to be like the... Did you guys hear the korma in the corner? So, yeah, that smells like we're going to be drinking curry. I might try it. I don't think it will go well.
Oh, they're $4.50 for 15.
I'd rather have the ones we had from them before.
I don't remember. I don't think I tried the one I had from them before.
I don't think I had the one from the box before this either, you know. Anyway, last item in the box, which Becca hates. Ooh, did my tummy rumble then? That's obviously Carl in the kitchen. So, the last item is the Radiant Glow Brightening and Youth Renewing Mask.
I didn't have the tea from the last one.
Which apparently brightens, plumps and is youth activating.
And breaks me out.
Yeah, Beck doesn't cope well with sheet masks, so I get 2. Ow, even though it's hitting me in the face.
They're $6 or £4.44.
I like sheet masks, so
I hate them.
I'm going to go out on a limb and say I'm going to quite like this. And I really like the packaging. Look how cute this is.
The last one we had the chocolate brownie mug mix.
Oh, no, that wasn't the last one. That was the one before.
Well,
I didn't like that. It had a foot mask in it.
Oh, I remember the foot mask. Peach and rhubarb?
I had that. It was nice. Anyway, so that is November's pink parcel. What was your favourite in that?
I only had the chocolate.
I'm intrigued by the chocolates. I'd say without trying it, it's going to be one of these. Because these are the two that, like, actually interest me. Highlighter and sheet masks. You can't get much more basic. Yeah, it's all over the table. So yeah, I mean, I'm probably not going to use this because it smells like nail varnish for your face. Anywho, on that note,
what is it?
I thought it was acacia berry.
I don't know.
We're going to go and Google that. Might be acai. So, we will see you in a couple of weeks for our December box. Or will we do it in part of Vlogmas?
We're doing Vlogmas?
I think we should do Vlogmas this year and actually finish it.
Hey, we all got really ill.
We did. Right, so we will see you tomorrow where we will be doing a hotel chocolate taste test. So stay tuned for that and we will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.
Will this be up by then?